Alright, here we go. All back together. It's a lot more work than I thought. Of course it always is, right? Blends in pretty good. I can see a little bit of a difference. Depends on how the light hits it, just like before. Only this time, it's a lot smoother than he did. It's not full of stress cracks. I put it on by myself. When I put it on after the first guy did it, no matter what you did, you just pushed or moved or wiggled it around and the clear cracked. Never seen such a horrid job in my whole life. Anyway, I'd like to thank Roger, Mr. Fireman. Can't remember if it's 1, 2, 3 or what it is, but anyway, Roger, thanks for the tips on buffing and denibbing, getting the dirt out. Anyway, very, very pleased. Glad it's over and it's all back together. Anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for thumbs up. I really appreciate everybody's comments, people that comment on the videos. Makes it nice. Nice shine, I can see, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, I can see the reflection of the headlights on it. Anyway, there you go, just a short little video. Thanks for watching.